Hey everyone, quick video. Does anyone ever notice when you're off-roading in a number of vehicles, but particularly these 120 Prados, as a driver, you hit your head on these driver and passenger side handles? Crazy stuff. I mean, who hangs on up there anyway? So if I'm out full driving and I'm going up a steep hill, I might grab this one and pull myself forward, lift myself up, and look over the bonnet further to see the line or what's going on. Absolutely. But I'm never really reaching up here to grab this one, which is why it's gone now. And that's one of the first things I do on my Prados. If they've got the fold-in handles like the 150s I think have got, nothing to worry about. But the older vehicles with the stick-out handles, I find, even on-road, a bit taller maybe, and the seat height's not adjustable in the 120, I hit my head on a bit. So it's easy, just pop the covers off, take the two 10 mils out, take the handle off, pop them back in so you know where they are, put the cover back on the handle and put it in storage because you'll never need it again. Mine hasn't been on the 120 just about forever. So now I've just done this 120 V6 as well because I've hit my head on it a couple of times, hasn't even been off-road yet. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Who drives around holding on up here? Nobody, right? If you need to pull yourself forward, you've got the handle at the front here. Fantastic. And the people in the back, they've still got their top handle, but they've also got one in front of the window as well. So how many do you need? Crazy. Overdone. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. Take it off and get rid of it. Not that one. Keep that one there. Make sure they're tight as well. I have noticed some of it's because people have had them off. Some cars, they're loose. Pop the caps off. Flat little flat blade. Just pop it in there and flick it off. 10 mil. Just nip them up nicely. Don't over tighten them. They're just an M6. Copy, copy. Catch you later. Pretty comfy here in the back of a Prado, actually. Thought I'd be a passenger for a minute in a Prado. Copy, copy. You want to grab something once again, the passenger. There's your handle there. You're not going to be sort of, well, you know, they can have their one up here because it's actually forward of your head. My head's back here, so it's not in the way of anything. Where on the driver, that one seems to be right in the way at the side of your head. So, bye-bye. Anyway, that's it. See ya.